Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to do the reflection that most Candy style editors use, and you guys have been asking me how I do that, so here is the tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it. So for the beginning I'm just gonna make a cube really fast, so yeah, you can skip this part if you don't want to see it. Alright, so I made my cube. I'm just gonna do a simple transition. Alright, so this is the transition I want. Now I'm just gonna add a solid for the background. Alright, after you created your transition like mine, recompose it all. You can rename it whatever that you want. I'm just gonna change it to final project file. Alright, then duplicate it 3 times. After you did that, make sure to turn this button on like I did. Then go to your second layer, press S on your keyboard so you can open this scale setting, then change this to 280, and then again press R on your keyboard and change the rotation to 180, then press T on your keyboard to open the opacity setting, then change this to 12. After that, go to TRK matte and change this to alpha matte, and yeah.